Welcome everybody. This time we're going to be analyzing the beautiful song Wise Men Say Only Fools Rush In, but I can't help falling in love with you. So let's see what's the music here. So the first phrase of the song, the first three notes, is in musical terms 1, 5, 1. So notice we have twice 1. We have twice the same note repeating. But do they sound the same in the song? Listen to this. What a difference the first time you heard that 1 to the second time you heard that 1. It's a difference between this to this. Now that is what I explained to you in the video on chords. The difference here is that each time the same note appears, you had a different chord on it. And remember that the power of chords is to completely change the context of a note. So much so that you almost don't recognize that this and this are just the same note. And that is part of the beauty of this incredible song of I Can't Help Falling in Love with You.